Nguyen Hu Tin of Vietnam, 7th in the 100, 6th in the 400, and took the bronze in the long jump. And Jacqueline Ganding of Malaysia, the youngster, 16 years of age, finished 4th in the 100 metres, a little bit unfortunate there. So not as competitive a race as the first heat. Well, there we can see Jacqueline Ganding of Malaysia. Fresh-faced youngster. Against some fairly grizzled older competitors, to be honest, particularly Chairat Taon from Thailand. He'll be the hot favourite to win this, but don't forget this is just qualifying, these are heats. Final for these 200 metres will take place this afternoon. So these guys don't want to expend too much energy this morning. It's not like the 400 metres where you go into oxygen deficit, but don't want to do too much this morning. Plenty of time this afternoon. The final's scheduled for 4:20. So they've got a good few hours. They can cool down, stretch, have some lunch, relax. Some athletes like to take a nap in the early afternoon and come back and start their warm-up procedure all over again. Jafar Waco, competitor 164. I think I heard the starter calling them to their marks, but clearly not ready yet. Confirmation of the times from that first race. Li Van Man, 26.89, and he took it really like a training day. Sawan Sapvet, 26.94, and Lionel To from Singapore, 27.86. Good time. Comfortably through to the final. Be interesting to see if anybody breaks that figure in this second heat. Nguyen Hu Tin. Seen him already 3 times in this competition. 100 metres, 400 metres, long jump. Saw him on the podium for the long jump, bronze medalist there. And we've seen him several times supporting other Vietnamese athletes, assisting some of the blind athletes when they've gone up to the podium. As with all the teams, there's this lovely camaraderie, both between teammates and between the teams as well. Time where international athletics is looking a little bit cynical and sad. It's nice to see the freshness of these competitors.
In lane 2, from Thailand, Chairat Taon.
Favourite for this heat, bronze medalist in the 100 metres.
Lane 3, from Indonesia, Waco Jafar. Lane 4, Vietnam, athlete 352, Nguyen Hu Tin.
Nguyen Hu Tin, bronze medalist in the long jump, also competed over 100 and 400.
Lane 5, from Malaysia, Jacqueline Ganding.
Jacqueline Ganding, youngest runner in the field, 4th in the 100 metres. Certainly love to go one better than that in the 200. So 4 going in this heat, and with 9 competitors, it will be the 8 fastest qualifiers who go through to the final. So they're not all guaranteed a place. Look out for Chairak Taon, lane 2. Well, Jacqueline's got a good start on the outside, and so has Jafar Wako. And at the moment, Chairak Taon hasn't really made a move. Jacqueline going well on the outside. He's got 3 or 4 metres on the rest of the field. Doesn't really need to go too hard to the finish. He's losing a little bit of form. Chairak Taon coming back at him, but Jacqueline's going to hang on to win Taon second and Jafar Wako third. Win Hu Tin comes in 4th position. So that's a pretty good time, 27:09. Got a really good start. Really good start. Got away quickly. Tied up a little bit in the home straight, but nobody in the field was working that hard to try and pull him in. Struggling a little from about 40-50 metres out. Enough momentum to see him through for a good time, good qualification.